Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here,
welcome to the club, pal.
And in today's video, as you read by the title, you already know why we're here, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. So as y'all can see, I'm starting, well, maybe y'all don't know, but I'm starting off on freshly washed hair. I put them in these little chunky twist situation just so that my hair can be already detangled and ready to go by the time I recorded. So yeah, it's like 2 in the morning, so I'm basically doing my hair at like 3 in the morning, but that's besides the point. I already have this conditioning repair stuff on my hair. I'm going to leave it on my hair, so I'm just going to be putting my moisturizer in. For those of you who are new here, you don't know what For those of you who are new here, you don't know what I'm talking about with my moisturizer. It's basically this. I use this almost like every single video. It works for me. I have high porosity hair, and that's the reason why I use this. So let's just go ahead and get to this video before my hair dries up, okay? Alright y'all, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the back section of my hair off camera, and when you all see me again, I will have this front section out and ready to go so I can show y'all how to do these pincurls. I just finished the back part of my head and I only have this front section to go. This is what the back looks like. This is my first time doing it, so I don't know how this is gonna come out. So just I add my moisturizer. Then I add my coconut oil. What I do for the roots is I twist just like that, and I take my finger and wrap it around. So then after that, I just kind of push it down, take my pen, and then I pin it. Then I sometimes use 2 pins. I twist my hair for the roots. Only go about that far. I take my finger, I wrap it around my finger, and I pull it all down my finger. Take a pin. Like I said, sometimes I use 2. I'm gonna show y'all one more time with this section before I fast forward. When I get back, it'll be the last section on here. I twist, take my finger, and then wrap it around. And I pull it down, then I pin it. Just like that, it's done. So now that you all see how I do it, or get the gist of how I do it, I'm going to fast forward through this part until I am on the last section up here. last 2 sections. So I'm just going to show y'all what I did over here. Applying my products. Detangling. Okay. So I parted this section into two. What I'm gonna do is I'm just going to wrap my hair for the roots, take my finger and wrap it around my finger. And once I've gotten to the end, I'm just going to literally pull my finger out and then pin the curl that I made. I'll be back in more than likely 2 days because I'm pretty sure this is not going to be dry by the time later in the day comes, since it is like 2 in the morning, 2 something in the morning. Today is Wednesday. I'll be back by Friday morning to show y'all the results and to tell y'all how I feel about the pin curls and if they came out good or not. So yeah, see y'all in 2 days. Pick it out so I can get the shape better. I ended up going with the afro look or whatever. So I'm pretty sure as the days go by, my hair will get bigger and fuller and whatever. As far as the pin curls, it's a keeper. I will be doing this again. I'm sorry, I keep messing with my hair. I'm trying to get and it was very easy to do. Y'all know how to do it because I did a tutorial on it. Y'all done watch this video. Y'all done got this far in the video. So yeah, thank you all for watching my video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.